Welcome back, first timers. We're back in downtown Fort Walton Beach, and it's been a long time since we did a walking tour of the businesses down here.
Now, a lot of things have changed since our last video. Some things have opened, some things have closed, and some things are about to open.
We're gonna try and hit brand new businesses down here in Fort Walton Beach.
This spot behind me used to be a real hot spot down here, but unfortunately it closed. But they are doing some renovation, so hopefully it'll be open soon with a brand new spot for you to hang out at. But there is a brand new bar in the back here called Salt Hop. Too early for a drink right now, so we're gonna start off with coffee.
We're right in front of Beach Weekend Coffee. Beach Weekend is known in this area for their boat rentals, their marinas, and their vacation rentals, but they also own a bunch of other businesses around this local area. We haven't been inside yet, but what we know is they have a conference area for rent, so if you're holding any conferences or events or anything like that, you can have a great, beautiful space right down here in downtown Fort Walton Beach. They have snacks and they have coffee. And what we're hearing is their coffee is all single source, whole bean coffee, and it's supposed to be delicious. So let's go in there and see what it's all about.
They have plenty of seating in here, and in the center there's a nice long table for workspace, and they have charging ports right there. They can get everything.
They have a really cool menu here. There's all kinds of stuff on here, but they also can mix and match whatever you want. I typically only drink hot black coffee, but it's sweltering outside, so I went with a Vietnamese nitro cold brew. Basically, I mixed all three of their cold drinks into one. I'm throwing caution to the wind, but if you want to talk about throwing caution to the wind, Terry's getting a Red Bull infused Italian soda. She's gonna be bouncing off the walls. And there are some really nice walls in here.
Cheers, moment of truth.
Oh yeah. Sweet and refreshing, not too sweet, very refreshing.
Oh my God, this is so good. I thought it might have been a weird combination with the cream in there. So good. The only thing missing from this is cookies.
Let's go.
This is the spot that I've been wanting to come to the most. They opened back in March. It's thick cookie. The owners are a cute couple. They just got engaged. Let's go in and check out what cookies they have this month, because each month the menu rotates. And if you're coming down here to get the cookies, you gotta get here early because they sell out almost every single day.
This place is so stinking cute. It's a great little spot. They have so many cookies. Not only do they have original size cookies, they have giant cookies. Now the original size cookies are huge in themselves, and we decided to go with a snickerdoodle and a chocolate chip cookie because I like to keep it classy, I like to keep it simple. But Terry and I both agreed on a special that they have right now called the cereal milk cookie, and it's exactly what it sounds like. It's a cookie that tastes just like the milk left over from cereal. I don't want to give too many secrets away, but what they do is they soak the milk in cereal and then use that for the buttercream on top. I can't wait. But Terry needs to go first.
All right, I'm gonna start with the snickerdoodle. Oh my God, it's so heavy. This is the regular size cookie. That's really good. It's crispy on the outside, gooey and cookie on the inside. The cinnamon sugar on the outside is so good. You got white chocolate chips in there. 10 out of 10. Terry approved. I'm going with the chocolate chip next. This is also heavy. Do you see that? The chocolate chips are still melted. That's how you know it's fresh. Very good chocolate chips. Very good cookie base. Again, Terry approved. Next up, cereal milk. Gigantic. It's got some cereal on top, buttercream, cookie. Let's see if I can get all this in my mouth. That was too big of a bite. Very sweet cookie, but it does taste just like cereal milk. You gotta try this.
I wasn't gonna film my review of the cookie because Terry nailed it so perfectly, but dang, those are some good cookies. Every single one of them far exceeded my expectations. Would recommend, but make sure you rest your wrist before you get here because these cookies are heavy.
We got our caffeine, we got our sugar rush, and now we're gonna go check out something a little mad. It's a new place called Madhouse. It's not open quite yet, but we're getting a sneak peek. And we're gonna meet with one of the owners, Maddie. She's gonna give us all the details on what it's gonna be. But from what I gather, it's gonna be the central hub in Fort Walton Beach for all things art, entertainment. It's gonna be open for all ages. And then at night, it's gonna be 21 and up, and there's gonna be a speakeasy downstairs. I'm here with Maddie. She is one of the owners of Madhouse. Can you tell us, what is Madhouse?
MAD stands for Music, Art, and Drinks. We'll have music, art, and drinks.
Perfect.
We will have a stage where we will have live music, we'll have bingo night, all the fun things. Open mic night, comedy nights, bad romance nights with you guys. We are really excited about the art classes though. That's a big staple of everything we want to do is bring art and give people a space to feel safe to do art or expand on their art. I've met a lot of artists recently that really just don't have a space to teach. I'm excited to give community back to everybody. We are targeting locals. We want everyone to feel like they have a safe space, a creative space for sure. I'm excited for that.
Are the art classes for kids or
We'll
adults?
have both family-friendly art classes, kid-oriented art classes, and 21 and up art classes.
Nice.
Because I know some people like to come and play where there's not exactly kids running around, but we do have our kid area that we're building for that reason. So if moms want to come out and paint a little bit or do a puzzle, their kid can play safely. The furthest section in the building away from the door, I might add. That was very important.
That's
this
a good
is the
idea.
furthest spot from the door.
So
put all the kids over there. They can go play, creative play, draw on the wall, and you can just paint and be a part of things.
that sounds so fun.
Yeah.
You also said at night it's going to be 21 and up?
Yes. So at night, that'll be our speakeasy hours. We will have art classes for speakeasy hours sometimes too. That way people can have that 21 and up feel for it.
Very cool.
That will be when we have more of the 21 plus fun for sure. We have two separate menus that we're building, and one is for the family friendly hours. It's the same cocktails, different names.
Nice.
So 21 and up hours, you might get a little bit more risque menu, which I love that little detail.
What was your inspiration for this place or the drive you had to create it?
I have been in the service industry for 15 years. I worked at my current job for 10 years. I've been managing for 3 years. I've been in restaurants and bars forever. Had a lot of different really fun art outlets, but I really wanted to build a place of my own. I'm very lucky to have Mark, which is my partner in this, who just got out of the military. He just retired, and his passion is art as well. He is a true artist, and if we can have a place where we can have a creative outlet, but we can give that to others. What can we do to feed our souls and help feed everyone else around us?
That's really cool. I love that.
Thank you.
So you guys are still kind of constructing things and painting and moving the furniture in?
Yes.
What's the target date to open?
Target date is probably August. And when I say August, probably late August. September if we need to. We did feel a little bit of this need to be open for summer. But since we are targeting more of locals and our community, I'm not pushing for that so much because we'll catch the tourist wave next summer. And as long as we can open with the right intention and everything feels safe and as we feel like it should, then we'll open by August for sure.
Perfect. You guys are doing a great job. It looks amazing in here. I can't wait till you guys open.
We're doing our best.
And thank you so much for letting us get a sneak peek in
I know,
there.
I'm so glad you got to come look. I can't wait for y'all to come back and play. It'll be so fun.
If anybody wants to come out here, where can they find you on social media so they can see what's going on?
So our Instagram is Madhouse FWB. Our Facebook is Madhouse Fort Walton Beach. And I think our TikTok is Madhouse FWB. I try to update it as much as I can in between all of the other chaos.
Well, again, thank you for letting us talk to you today.
Thank you for being here. Y'all are awesome. I love everything y'all do.
Thank you.
Of course.
It's a work in progress right now, but this place is going to be the premier location for all things in Fort Walton Beach. The art, the energy, the feelings, this is really cool. We can't wait for it to get up and running because we will definitely be back and we'll show you as soon as it's done. In the meantime, definitely follow their social media because they do post progress videos and they're really fun. They're cute. So take a look at those and definitely come out here when it's open because this is going to be the place to be. So we're out here in Fort Walton Beach on the second Saturday of the month. Come to find out, every second and fourth Saturday of the month, there's a farmer's market, craft fair, right here in the park in downtown Fort Walton Beach. So we're gonna take a break from looking at the new businesses in Fort Walton Beach, and we're gonna quickly take a look at some of the established vendors from this farmer's market. Tried to convince myself not to buy anything at the farmer's market, but there's a huge sign right here talking about keeping mosquitoes and bugs off. And if you know anything about Florida, you know we get hit by bugs and mosquitoes all the time. Barilla Health has a spray that I'm picking up, never used it, smells amazing, completely natural, and no chemicals. I don't like chemicals and I hate bugs even more, so I'm buying this. We just got to talking to Blake. He's the owner of Barilla Health, and he has something even cooler than the bug spray. So let me have him tell you all about it.
Hey, so what we have developed is a bathroom spray for the toilet. So this is the coastal answer to Poo-Pourri. It provides not only the same coverage and reduction in odor that you might expect, but gives it a great coastal citrus scent. And we're members with the Sea Turtle Conservancy out of Gainesville, Florida, and they track sea turtles worldwide for conservation efforts. We give back a portion to them. And on the front, with every purchase, you can scan the QR code right here and track this actual turtle as it migrates from Florida to Latin America and South America.
We just stopped by the Little Griddle in downtown Fort Walton Beach, and while this is not a new business, it's been here since 2020, they have a newly expanded inside seating area so you can get out of the heat, and they have a secret project going on that we'll see if this gal will tell us a little bit more about.
Hi, I'm Tia. I own the Little Griddle with my husband. We have been here since June of 2020, cooking up breakfast for all of you folks around Fort Walton Beach and surrounding areas. We moved to this location last January so that we had awesome indoor seating for the winter time and for rainy days and for hot, gross days. We are working on an expanded menu for the inside location. If you're looking for an event space, we have the inside available for rentals after business hours. We have Instagram. You can look up the Little Griddle FWB on Insta, and then we are the Little Griddle on Facebook.
So Salt Hop is a beer-based brewery here. They're not doing any of their own beer just yet, but stay tuned because I think that's in the works. Right now they're serving all kinds of different beers, seltzers, they have canned vodka drinks, they have all those different options that you are going to be looking for if you're trying to stay cool and refreshed here at the beach. Place is great, it's clean, it's orderly, and everyone in here is so nice. So if you're down here in Fort Walton Beach, definitely come out here.
We're just outside Artesano. It's one of our favorite boutique jewelry shops down here in Fort Walton Beach, and they just relocated over to their new spot. They used to be where Thick Cookie is now.
This is our favorite store in Fort Walton Beach. We buy gifts here for family, for friends, for acquaintances, and just because. They have things like candles, they got artwork, they got jewelry, they even have cutlery and ice cream scoops. Pretty much anything you're looking for, you could probably find something here, and it's all handmade and it's all local. We love this place. In this new location, it feels significantly larger. There's windows, so it's a lot brighter, it's more welcoming. This is a great location for this business, and when you're down in Fort Walton Beach, do not skip Artesano.
Our last stop of the day is Caddies Corner, and this place just opened probably about a month or so ago. They've got pizza, gelato, indoor golf, arcade games.
Sadly, we're here just outside of business hours, but we took a peek through the window and it looks really awesome. It looks like a comfortable place. There's nice plush couches, there's chairs, there's a bar where they serve beer, wine, and seltzers. We hear the food's really good. They even have a little arcade area in the back. But we'll have to check it out in a future video. Fort Walton Beach is growing and there is more and more to do and see here every single day.
But that's gonna wrap it up for today. Hope you enjoyed checking out some of these new businesses with us.
And if you like this video, check out this video right here where we checked out other really cool businesses right here in Fort Walton Beach. Thanks again for following along in this episode, and join us next time when we try something else new for the first time.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First timers.
High five.